My name is Bruce Berry. I've been painting off and on for about 50 some years. Started out, my dad was a portrait painter, and I've always been interested in animals. So started out my summers working on a frog farm and was introduced to all different kinds of animals. And so my interest blossomed from there. Went on to get a degree in biology, and then I worked in the art field for a couple of years selling work, and then went into business, raised a family, and have retired about 5 or 6 years ago, and have gotten back into full-time painting of wildlife art, which is my favorite to do. So I'll be in the studio tour. It's about my third studio tour. I'll be at the Terry O'Connor studio.